Why limit screen time?
Reducing excessive screen time offers mental health benefits such as improved focus, better sleep, and less stress. Setting healthy boundaries with your devices encourages more mindful usage and helps prevent digital burnout. By taking control of your screen habits, you can reclaim valuable time for rest, hobbies, and face-to-face connections.
Discover built-in screen time tools.
Most smartphones include built-in features designed to manage and monitor device usage. On iPhones, you can use screen time, while Android devices often provide digital well-being. These tools let you see detailed breakdowns of your app habits, daily screen time, and set meaningful restrictions without needing to install third-party apps.
How to set daily limits.
Setting daily limits is straightforward. On your device, find the Screen Time or Digital Well-being section in the Settings menu. There, you can choose which apps or categories to limit. Set specific daily time allowances, like 30 minutes for social media, and receive automatic alerts when you reach those limits, helping you stay mindful of your goals.
Enforcing downtime and app locks.
Use Downtime and app lock features for added control. Downtime lets you schedule device-free periods, such as during meals or before bed. App locks allow you to temporarily block access to specific apps outside of chosen hours. These built-in measures reinforce healthy routines, making it easier to stick to your desired screen time.
Tips for sticking with your limits.
Consistency is key to success. Start with realistic time limits and adjust as needed. Enable passcodes on your restrictions if you need extra support. Pair tech limits with mindful habits, like setting phone-free zones or replacing scrolling with relaxing activities. Remember, the goal is balanced use, not eliminating screens entirely.